Contentment is the goal if we want to live in peace. Nothing is more joyful living in equilibrium, where everything is in balance. But contentment can be a poison. In moments of distress, where we need to respond and act to survive, our mind shows this perfect illusion of a rich garden, abundant and infinite, where we feel safe, warm and cared, and in the moment that we're awakened from the hypnosis, it's already too late. We are already trapped inside our cave, flooded neck deep, and we are struggling to survive, left only with a little space to breathe. And yes, contentment is peace of mind that can lead to death.